IPHEX gives us a very good platform to exhibit ourselves, to showcase our products. And it's really a great pleasure to see here many dignitaries and delegates across the globe of approximately more than, I believe, 600 plus countries. It gives us a great exposure to the wider market, and we really enjoy participating in IPHEX every year. Our company, Savorite Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, based at Vadodara, Gujarat. We are merchant exporters, government-recognized one-star export house, and we are doing exports to more than 40 plus countries with more than 1,000 plus products. We have been participating with IPHEX from last then, I think, 5 to 6 years, and every year we participate in IPHEX, and it gives us a really good platform to exhibit ourselves. Only the feedback which I would like to give for the correction for the next IPHEX events would be like, this time this hall 4 is created for extra participants also like that who didn't get the stalls, but they didn't take care of the numbering, wherein which the sequencing is very haphazard and it's very difficult for each and every overseas buyer to locate the stall. You can see it is going vertical like this, wherein which I think you people must also be facing the same problem. So this time, this was the major negative factor. First of all, this hall 4 was very rejected and neglected from all the sources, and the location was very bad. The numbering was very inappropriate, which has to be taken care. The booking process is a major factor which has to be taken care by the pharma itself, wherein which this online slotting booking within a minute's time gets over. That really creates a very chaos for booking, and we don't get a proper stall.